Are you ready for another bite of green beans? Are you ready for another bite of green beans? Are you ready? Here you go. Oh. Ow. Are you not liking the green beans? You're not supposed to watch the TV. Have another bite of green beans. Come here, Reese. Do you want to try another bite of green beans? You want to try? Here, try another bite of green beans. Do you want to try? You want to try it? Ow! What's wrong with the green beans, Reese? Are you not liking the green beans? What's wrong with the green beans? Maybe Mommy should have used a bib. Huh? Do you want to try one more bite? Or are you done? Mmm. Do you not like the green beans? Do you want the spoon though? You want the spoon though, but not the green beans that's on it? Do you want to try one more bite? You want to try one more bite? Ah. Ow. So apparently green beans are not the thing?